Okay, now we are on again. We started another video. I can see my network is excellent, it's doing well, so we don't have a problem. Hope you guys don't also have problem. Hope you can hear me. Yeah, this another video that will talk on investment in associates. Investments in associates. Investment in associates. So I'm also going to lay the questions. Okay, so this we can see clearly the question on the board. Let me confirm again that it's not covering. Okay, it's covering some things there. So I'm going to deactivate the video for now, and so I can see clearly. Yeah, you can see what it was covering. I'm going to have deactivated it so you can see what it was covering. Yeah, professional exam question on investment in associates. That is the fourth question that we are showing this night. Investment in associates with consolidation. Group structure. Omega PLC parent owns 30% of Delta Limited Associates. Acquired 1st January 2023 for 45 million naira. Delta's retained earnings at acquisition is equal to 60 million naira. Fair value of Delta's net assets is equal to 140 million naira. Fair value uplift plant 10 million naira, remaining life 5 years. Delta's post-acquisition profit for 2023, 30 million naira. Delta dividends paid, 10 million naira. So we have Omega statement of financial position at 31st December 2023 in millions. Again, I've stated my assets. This is because these things are in pages, so I copied the asset first before I copied the liability side of the equation. They are not, I'm not doing what's it called, T account. So if I click on it, you see that there are two different windows that I brought in together. And because I'm always bringing the asset side first, that's why you see the asset in the normal T account. For us in Nigeria here, the asset is on the right side, while the liability is on the left side. So here I am presenting it, it's supposed to be vertical. So we have assets, cash, receivables, inventory, investment in Delta Limited, and PPE. So please take note of this PPE. So you will not think that it's part of investment in Delta. They're different. Investment in Delta is 45 million. Then PPE is 235, or carrying amount of balance of assets, or sorry, of plant. So we have total assets of 400,000, 400 million, it's a million. Then liabilities and equity, we have share capital 20 million, 200 million, retained earnings 150 million, payables 50 million, or total and of equity and liabilities is 400 million. So these are the questions, the note that the intercompany transactions. We have the downstream, which is parent investing in associates. Omega sold goods to Delta for 12 million, cost 8 million. Half of these goods remained in Delta inventory at year end. Upstream, associate to parent. I have just purposely put downstream and upstream for you so that you can understand. Delta sold goods to Omega for 10 million cost, 7 million. Half of these goods remain in Omega inventory at year end. This is what we are required to do. Compute the carrying amount of the investment in Delta Limited using the equity method, including share of post-acquisition profit, dividends received, depreciation on fixed fair value adjustments planned, unrealized profits elimination, upstream and downstream. Then B, prepare a mini consolidated statement of financial position for Omega Group extract only, including investment in associates, parents' assets and liabilities, adjustment for fair value and unrealized profit. C, compute unrealized profit to eliminate from Omega's shares of Delta's profit, upstream transaction. Compute adjustment in Omega's consolidated profit due to unrealized profit in downstream transaction. So this is one of the simplest questions that you face. Now, take note of this. Delta's retained earnings at acquisition is 60 million naira. Then we have a fair value of Delta's net asset, 140 million. You should already know that since there is fair value of net asset, you may not consider the retained earnings again in order to include it as part of the net asset. And then the uplift plant, 10 million. It's already part of the 140 million, so don't consider it separately. Unlike the other account that I asked you to consider it separately, that is because of the way I solved it. This one now, don't consider it separately. It is part of the net asset. Why it is showing there is for you to know where to apply the depreciation, how to handle that depreciation. That is why we are bringing that plant. It is not different from the net asset of the company. It's still part of the net asset of the company. So I think this is the most technical aspect of it, which I have pointed out. The rest are normal things. Only know how to handle the downstream unsold goods, the unrealized profits, know how to handle the upstream. So these are simple technical things that I put there that I think with diligence you'll be able to understand it, and it will not be that difficult for you to follow, since you already know it. And you know, I had told you go and read the upstream and the downstream so that you know how to apply it. I intended to set as what's it called, theory. I decided to set it this way. I might add one more question that I may not be able to show here, because it's quite a lot of work to prepare these questions, solve them, and then start teaching them again online. It's quite tasking. So you can see, so far, I'm sure you guys are all falling out. I'm not seeing a lot of viewers now. The view rate is going down. If people don't want to view it, okay, no problem. I've told you, it's the enthusiasm you show in the video that will make you to solve it. If I don't see, then I will not solve. Like in this video now, only 6 people are viewing. I don't know where John, Brakemi, and the rest are. Yes, Jimbo, I know you are there. You are not, you should like now. You like, one just view. And then nobody's giving super chat. All of you are just there, no super chat. the chat rate is so low, just 2. That's okay. Rakemi, you have come. I should solve it. I won't solve it here now. I told you I'm going to solve it it's only my members that can see the solution. So people should go and solve it, so that when I'm solving, you know whether you have gotten it right or not. I will solve 1 question per day, 1 question per day. So I might likely start solving on Wednesday. I'll start with ratio. After ratio, I'll do business combination. Miriam Sam, okay, you are one of the people that have joined All Star already. You joined All Star, so if more people join the All Star, because I'm going to restrict the view of that one to All Stars only. I have people who have already joined the All Stars, so those people, good. When I start, it will be members only, and that members will be All Stars. Yeah, I will put members only, and that members will be All Stars. Okay. What is something else? Kemi, there are simple questions that you can answer. Go and solve it. Cool down, you will solve them. They are simple questions, they are not difficult. What is something else, my dear? You can solve them. And yet, your class people are not coming. Okay, I'm going to. This is the shortest video. I'm going to end this one now. I'll start another one. You guys should do super chat now. Which kind of students do I have like this that cannot do ordinary super chat? Yes, I know, Ugochukwu, David, I know you are here, but I'm seeing my chat rate and my view. The view is just current viewers now. 7 people are online. The rest of you are not there. They are doing other things. So I'm watching the people viewing. Yumbra, go and join All Star. Big woman, don't be procrastinating every day. People have already joined All Star. At least, I know 3 people joined today or so. So let people continue to join, because I'm going to give you that window of time between now and Wednesday. That's why I'll put the solution time on Wednesday. That's when I'm going to solve it, Wednesday, so that people will have enough time. So you have enough time to revise and go through what I have solved. So thank you very much. I'm going to show you another question that is on conceptual framework. It's not going to be what we expect on conceptual framework. It's going to be technical, very technical. And that's about the only theory question that you see there, except I'll bring another theory question, but this is quite technical. So I'll bring that one now before I call it a day today. So far, so good. Thank you very much. In the next 2 minutes, the next video will come up. Don't go away. Hold your phone or your computer, recharge your data, and be ready to join. That one is not going to take long, maybe another 15 minutes, 20 minutes or less. We will be done.